Even though I'm 12, 13,000 miles from home, you're just made to feel like part of the family. It's a tremendous place.
Wayne, you're being billeted in glorious Greytown. Be helpful, get stuck in, and stay hydrated. Bye-bye, precious.
New Zealand can be anything. It can be beauty, warmth.
Hey!
Getting put in a walker.
Let's go!
Boys, welcome to Whānau Workshop.
You might end up with a fake nose on one day.
God, I look like my dad.
Could even end up in a brilliant place like this and drink beers with the locals. This is my second time, it won't be my last. Truly falling in love with this beautiful country. It's got a bit of everything for everybody. Just an incredible experience. I've enjoyed every minute of it.